Welcome to Small Bathroom Design Ideas. I'm Carrie from Penny Modern, and I'll be taking you through and showing you all kinds of different bathroom designs and giving you tips and tricks along the way to help you in your bathroom project. So I wanted to get started with some dark and moody bathrooms. These are ones that I found really modern and inspiring. They have dark tile on the walls, and I feel like, maybe it's for somebody that doesn't want, the everything bright and light. Maybe you want a dark and moody. And here's some more. This is more around neutral bathroom. This is a lot of different beige, white, off-white, cream, maybe a little brown. These are all really good design ideas because they'll kind of go in just about any home. This is a bathroom using some stone on the walls, and then it's large format tile. And here's a bathroom, it almost looks like a cement tile. And this has a really modern, clean look to it, but it's also very neutral. And then this bathroom is a little bit like, has some of the a vessel sink, and this one has the toilet that kind of comes out of the wall, very modern looking toilet, which I think is a really good look. And then this one has more of the vessel sink, and then this has a really nice kind of almost a marble looking tile on the wall, which is really beautiful. This has kind of like a single slab marble on the wall, which is also really nice. And then this one also has that kind of like large slab of marble all over the wall. So I thought this was really awesome, along with the kind of lighter mirror. And I love this has brass fixtures and some of the gray stone tile in the shower. And then this is when we get to some more dark and moody, people using wallpaper or really cool tile. The green tile is a big trend, like kind of a teal. And this is kind of a fish scale tile that's in that teal that I think is really beautiful. And I saw so many different bathrooms with this color. So here's one with kind of a dusty teal vanity. And then this has another kind of a greenish vanity, a really unique sink that I thought would be really cool to use in a bathroom. And then this has more of a lighter teal. So I just thought that blue color is really coming through in bathrooms in the latest design trends. And another big trend is wallpaper. So especially botanical and kind of like jungle inspired wallpaper like this. And then here you see more botanical and flowers, and really kind of gives you that moody but still a little feminine and also botanical. This I believe is wallpaper. It also might be tile, but it kind of gives that wallpaper look, but it's also kind of more bright. And then this is again that dark and moody, kind of a botanical. It has the teal, so that seems to be a big trend. This is a really beautiful look. It kind of has that terrazzo looking tile, and then there's also these brass fixtures. And then this is some more wallpaper that's kind of a lighter, like white and gray. Maybe you don't want to use a dark pattern. And then this has some more of the green tile, as well as the wallpaper in that botanical print. And then this has just tile everywhere, and I thought it was really stunning, really beautiful, a really good look in that tiny tile. And this has almost a brick. It looks like brick. I'm not 100% sure if it is brick, but I thought it looked really cool in a bathroom. And I love some of these patterns. It's almost like a cement tile that we're seeing now with these really bold patterns. And here's kind of a gray and white and black bathroom, which I thought white and black is a big trend that we're seeing. And here's kind of more moody, a gray bathroom. And then here we have kind of a wood look. I'd say this is almost more like a modern rustic look. It has that window pane. And then there's also, this has the faucet coming out of the wall. I thought that's a really cool trend. This is a smaller bathroom. And then this is a really small bathroom, but I thought they did it really well because it has the tile going all the way up to the ceiling, all the way around the bathroom, and then a wood look in the back. And then this is more of a light and bright, really helps you make a small bathroom look bigger if you do the lighter color. And then this bathroom is kind of more the black fixtures, which I think really stand out against the white and the light gray. And then here we have some more of that really beautiful stone tile, kind of a large format tile and a vessel sink. And I thought vessel sinks are definitely making a comeback. I saw a ton of different bathrooms with vessel sinks that I'm seeing all over the place. And here's another vessel sink and the faucet coming out of the wall again. And I really like the herringbone pattern, just in a simple white tile. And if you really want to make your home beautiful without breaking the bank, hit the subscribe button. And this has a bold floor. I love the tile on the floor. They use tile to actually make a pattern. So that's a really nice trend. And then this has more of kind of a gray tile in the bathtub, but then there's a really cool pattern on the floor. And this has shows one of the trends of subway tile, as well as the window pane on the shower doors, as well as that printed tile. And this has the window pane and kind of that white and black bathroom, which I feel like is a big trend. And then there's another window pane shower wall idea that I think would be really cool, kind of a cool art piece there. And then this has a lot of subway tile and the clawfoot tub, a mirror above the tub, which is kind of interesting. And then this is more of that subway tile. It's still not out of style. It'll probably be in style for a long time, and you're still continuing to see subway tile in a lot of places. And this has a wood vanity, that wood look, that really light wood, light oak is really in. And this one has the lighter wood, but very modern looking vanity. I really like how this looks modern, but it still uses the natural wood. And then this one is pretty interesting as well. It has, again, the wood, but a little bit darker wood look, as well as this has the herringbone. It has a little bit of that teal, kind of like light green, as well as the vessel sinks. And this one's a really great example of using that really small tile, but then there's also that really nice wood vanity, but everything looks super modern. And then this has that wood vanity, which again is super modern, really like it. You can use it in a lot of different types of bathrooms. You can use it with white, you can use it with gray, you can use it with all different kinds of colors. You can put a vessel sink on top or just a regular sink. And then this is a little bit bigger bathroom, but it is kind of double sinks with the mirrors on top. And please hit subscribe if you want more tips to make your home beautiful without breaking the bank. And see you guys later.